Hi, I'm Vic, and welcome to GeekoFarm on location, where we do things differently. This week, we're at FabFest in Bali, doing all the nice Fab Lab things. Well, actually we're not, we're in the back garden doing post-production, but this is Bali. Okay, so as you see, here at the conference they have these nice little bamboo booths, all made sort of, you know, friendly, care, new cycle, and hybrid pods, and where are we? Precious plastics. That's the one, my favourite one. But if you look in the background over there, you discover that the those palm tree roofs aren't actually sufficiently waterproof, so they're covering them with a single-use plastic sheet.
This is precious plastics. They recycle, well, this is HDPE bottle tops, isn't it?
Yep.
Nicely. Got a big press, I'll show you some footage of it. Squashes the ground up bits flat and makes these things. And they put them in a CNC machine and milled it into furniture, which is kind of cool.
Popular.
Of course, you know, it's hard to get things perfect, but yeah, it looks good. Good spread. I get a picture of that pattern. I mean, yeah,
Beautiful, isn't it?
yeah. So what if it isn't solid blue? I don't care.
Yeah, it's fine.
Anyway, here's this fantastic piece of bamboo architecture from the inside, which is being used as the conference hall. I'm here early, so we're calling it the Turtle, yeah, for obvious reasons. There are quite a few structures similar to this around, but I met the designer of this one and I thought it was particularly cool. Behind it, he also designed a greenhouse and aquaponics system that takes the waste from the cafe across the road and turns it into fish and fruit and veg, which he then sells on and is used in the cafe. Even the roof is covered in bamboo shingles. This amazing structure was put together by 16 locals in 20 days. Well, they've very nearly finished it. As you can see, the structure is almost waterproof. Let's video something. Here in the Fab Lab at Bali, say hi to Julio.
Hi.
And he's got this thing called a Wasp, which is a 3D printer with a huge great nozzle and a huge great build volume. And he's putting filament through it that was made from fishing old fishing nets. Is this?
It's actually granule.
Oh, those was granules.
It's granules made out of waste. This is urban waste, so packaging and stuff. But we also have one with the fishing nets, the green one. Now we're using just this waste, but it's all 100% recycled stuff.
Yeah.
So it's full of crazy stuff inside. Is not completely regular because it's recycled.
It has chunky bits. Yeah. Anyway, so across the road is that greenhouse with aquaponics in it, and we're going to print a little plant pot for them out of recycled material. You know, complete the circle.
Takes a while. There's some skirt.
Yeah.
It's very small. I expected it to be bigger.
They only put like one lettuce plant in one of these things.
Okay.
Okay, well it looks like we have plastic deposition and it's sticking to the bed. What's
Polypropylene bed.
Polypropylene. Alright. And yeah, I believe we've gone up a layer. Okay, well this could be a well-boring video, so I'll stop it now and come back when we're done. So we're about over halfway. It's doing this interesting little game of hopscotch, which is leaving lots of hairy bits of filament, which will probably clear away very quickly with a flame.
but we could probably optimize the print a little better. Now, this tree up here behind me is the K-pop tree, or kapok as they call it here. And one of those little fruits contains a massive amount of fluff, which is what was used in the upholstery industry for stuffing things with. Of course, it's all too flammable under current health and safety restrictions, but yeah, if you open up one of those pods in your hotel room, it requires a good clean afterwards. Oh, here we are building a laser cutter. There we are. Say hi, guys. Hi. There you go. So yeah, here's the laser left overnight. That's nice and dry, but unfortunately over here yeah, we've had ourselves a bit of a leak in the roof. Which one of those is the high tension supply for the laser? This one. That one. Okay. Well, let's hope that one doesn't get wet. Yeah. It's alive! The hotel cat. It has kittens.
Yep.
We're not entirely sure what these are, but they have a certain weight. I have no idea what the
It's green coconut.
protocol or technique is for this.
Well, there's a spoon as well.
But I think it's time I turned off the fly swatter. Here's the procedure. Let's try it.
Really?
But for now, that's your lot down on GeekoFarm.